So this is the finished Breck Ironworks base and Breck Ironworks burner and log set. This is a complete assembly. We kind of did this one backwards where the client had this, and this is typical, like this is restoration hardware, who knows what, but they reduce the plumbing to 3/8 inch. So you get real inadequate flame on most of the stuff you buy, you know, brick and mortar or online through restoration hardware type companies, right? It's a gorgeous home. It deserves the Rolls-Royce fire feature and focal point. So we're coming into this with 3/4 inch. There's 1 inch supply. So we just reduced to 3/4. And we calibrated the flame into the log set, and then the logs do their job at reflecting all that positive heat, radiant heat. This is spectacular. 970-759-3103. Jason at BreckIronworks.com. Please reach out anytime, and thank you so much.